सगळे सर माझे प्रोफेसर जे नाव MS कॉलेजीन शिकतालो, मागे ग्रॅज्युएशन करतालो फर्स्ट इयर टू TY पर्यंत, तेन्ना ह्याच सरांनी आमकां त्या टायमाचेर आमकां शिकयला. आणि आयज त्या सरांनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून आमचो इंगरली सर जावं पाटील सर जो प्रिंसिपल आसलो, सेल सर, आमचे बोरगावी सर, सगळे माझे प्रोफेसर जेंके आमी भुरगेपणान तेंच्या हातीनसून आयज हांगा पावले. सदांच तेंचे ब्लेसींग म्हाजेर आसलेले. आनी आयज तेंच्यांनी जेन्ना हो प्रपोजल दिलो की हो आमकां डेवलप करून दिवंक जाय, आनी त्या प्रमाणे हांवें हो आमच्या गोवोरमेंटा कडेन मागलो. आनी म्हाका इमिजिएटली थ्रू आमचे जे फंड्स आसता ओके तेजे थ्रू MLA लेड फंडांसून हांवें हो प्रपोजल म्हणून हो गोवोरमेंटा कडसून PWD कडसून हो क्लियर करून घेतलो आसा. आनी आयज जे आमी फावंडेशन घातलेले आयज आमचे 1 वर्सा उपरांत हें आतां कंप्लीट जाल्लेलें आसा. आनी आयज आमी तेजें इनॉग्रेशन केलां. एक बरे भशेन जाता त्या प्रमाणे आमी हें केल्लेलें आसा. एक ब्युटिफूल जागो हांगा जाल्लो आसा. तुमी हांगासून पळयतलो जो नेचर आमी पळयता ओवरलुकींग द अरेबियन सी. सो हेच्या लागून आनी हे फावंडेशनाचें इनॉग्रेशन जे आमी आयज इनॉग्रेशन केलां तेजे मदीं आमचे स्वामीजी हांगा येयलेले आसा. तेंचे कितें एक मोठे स्वामी थंयसरले जे सगळे लोक तांकां मानता. आनी तशेंच तेज्या वांगडा बाकीचे आमचे 2 स्वामीजी तेजे बाकीचे आश्रमाचे जे हांगा येयलेले आसा. खूब खूब तांकां आमी वेलकम करता गोंयान ते येयला म्हणून. आनी मुद्दाम ह्या जाग्याचेर जो तेंचो क्रिमेटेरियम आसलेलो तो एक डेवलप करपा लागून जो सरान जे उतार घातलेले म्हजे कडेन ते हांवें खंय तरी फुलफील केले. खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता कितें बाबा हांवें सराचे खंय तरी थोडी एक गुरू दक्षिणा कशी हांवें तांकां हें केल्लेलें आसा. सो खूब मनाक बरें दिसता कितें म्हजें सराचें काम आसलेलें तें हांवें करून दिल्लेलें आसा. तेज्या लागून आमचे गोवोरमेंट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत तशें PWD मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामत तांकां धन्यवाद म्हणटा कित्याक तेंच्या आशिर्वादान हें काम करूंक शकलो म्हणून.
The 2 graveyard has completed here. They have built up the 2 graveyard here. One is from Lingayat people, one is from who are take burning, cremating. So both are very nice and did very good work. Our Sankalp Amonkar is a legislative member of this Goa. He is a very active person and a dynamic person, and he has a helping nature to the public. So he is very dynamic person. Wherever his work is necessary, he will do the work. This is his nature. He has helping nature. So because of his helping nature, he is a good man. So he did the good work here. So I am very thankful to him, and his future is very prosperous, and God is always with him. So God bless him. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Our dear ones were buried here in a very what do you call that? Very shabby, the shabby ground, which was knee-deep thing filled with waste, garbage, and all other things. By seeing that thing, when we inaugurated our trust, we invited our Sankalp Amonkar as the chief guest, and we have put him a proposal. See, this is the thing. Our community is here since the last 40 years, and all we are all working. After the death, the mortal remains of our people, we have to take to our native place for last rites. That is a burial thing. And that is the reason we put him a proposal, because in Vasco, most of our community people are live here, and he readily accepted that I will try, sir, we'll do it like that. As his name itself indicates, Sankalp. Sankalp means there is Nishchay. He determines everything. Once he determines, he takes it seriously, and he has brought that project into the reality. Sankalp, we are very grateful to you. On behalf of each one of our community member, we are very grateful to you. And at the first, I will be failing in my duty, first of all, if I don't thank our government of Goa. Government of Goa is such excellent and broad-hearted. Even our dynamic Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, PWD Minister Digambar Kamatji, and all other PWD engineers and everyone who have worked, contractors, and all the departments have so much supported us to work for this project. This project is a dream project for our community, and it has come up very nicely. So that's the reason we called our this Swamiji. This Swamiji's mutt is one of the famous mutt which has got 200 to 300 years. It is a 16th century old mutt which has worked for the social upliftment of very poor people to the rich people. It has got a rich history. So we thought of honoring you, means the government of Goa. You are a representative of Goa. So we wanted to felicitate the government of Goa through you, because you are a candidate for this project.